Unlocking the meaning of numero uno. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's quite popular across various languages and cultures. Numero uno. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or maybe someone referred to themselves with this term. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it in English? Stick around as we explore this interesting phrase together. Numero uno has its roots in Italian, and it literally translates to number one in English. The phrase has been adopted by many other languages, including English, and is commonly used to denote the best, the most important, or the top-ranked individual or thing in a given context. In English, numero uno is often used in both formal and informal settings. Informally, it can be used to refer to oneself or another person in a humorous or light-hearted way. I need to look after numero uno, meaning taking care of oneself first. In this team, you are numero uno, indicating that the person is the most important or valued. Formally, it can be used in business or competitive scenarios. Our company is numero uno in the industry, boasting the top position in the market. Let's look at some examples of how numero uno can be used in sentences. Self-reference. I've decided to start putting numero uno first for a change. Referring to others, in this classroom, respect is numero uno. Business and ranking. Our priority is customer satisfaction. It's numero uno on our list. Competitive scenarios. After that win, she's now numero uno in the world rankings. Numero uno is a versatile phrase that you can use in various situations to emphasize being at the top or the most important aspect of something. Whether you're talking about personal priorities, someone's status, or a company's ranking, numero uno adds a touch of international flair to the conversation. I hope this video has made you confident in using numero uno in your English communications. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are all numero uno to us.